bahasa Indonesia ya. Irna will speak in full bahasa.
Oke, halo guys, aku dan Dari mau unboxing album Enhypen yang kita pre-order dari Weavers. Jadi kita belum buka sama sekali dan kita mau unboxing sekarang.
Nah, jadi Mas ini dia hardcore-nya NH. Dia order set. Aku cuma order satu because I'm broke.
No.
Jadi sekarang kita unboxing punya aku dulu ya. Lihat aku dapat versi yang mana.
Oh my god, aduh jangan, semoga dari kalau ada becek aku mau tukar.
Ini pakai koron. So I bought a random quarter pound out, so I don't know the
Hope you get up.
version yet. Let's check.
Up please. Oh, what is this?
What is this?
Oh my god, what is this? Invitation? No, I think. Stand. What?
Yeah, this is the bonus for pre-order.
Oh my god.
Ini bonusnya.
This is hype, not up, but it's okay.
Okay. Now let's open this one.
Okay. Okay, we'll open, guys. I think I don't need that.
Keren.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Oh my god, so I bought set. I got 3 albums. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm so happy.
This is a bonus for set.
Set. This is down version.
UD down.
Yeah, so the color is white. It's down version, and then this is up version, my favorite.
This is the up version.
And the last one is high.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Sorry, sorry guys, we're so excited.
Okay, because we are too excited now. This is mine, right? This is mine. No, okay.
Okay. Now we will check the photo card.
Yeah, so we'll get. My bias is Jake, so I hope that I can
Guys,
Jake.
who is your bias? Comment. Let me know your bias.
I love Jake, but my bias record is Songhoon and Hizung and Jungwon. Everyone in the enhypen.
Okay, let's start from your side.
Okay, I will open. Oh my god. Please God, I want to have Jake photo card. Gimana ini deh? Oh, oke. No. Hah? Oke.
Ini
Sorry. Oh my god, I do not get. This is Jake. Oh my god.
Jake picture. Oh my god.
Is it okay? Yeah, too loud. Oh my god, Jake. I got Jake, guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And I got also Songhoon. And also I got. Oh no, yeah, it is Songhoon. I got both Songhoon. It's okay.
Okay, next.
This is also, what is this? Ticket?
Some kind of ticket here.
And I got the poster. Oh my god.
Oh, that's a kind of
This so big poster.
Show it to the camera. So we have 2 cameras.
Oh my god, okay.
Let me see as well.
Okay.
Which version is this?
This is
Down? No.
high version. High version, yes.
Okay.
You will also get the photo, this one, the poster, right? Okay. Ini maaf, aku taruh bawah aja ya, Mas. Aduh. Udah lah.
Next version.
Next version is my favorite, up version. susah banget. Oh my god, I invest my money for my happiness, so I buy this album.
Yes, you always can buy your happiness.
The best in this. Oh
Oh my god, I love dark blue.
Oh my god.
Oh, our
Oh my god.
Prince Jay.
Prince Jay. And also got Hism, the best vocalist in enhypen, and also yes, the landing card also from Hism. Yeah, it's good. And I also get a big poster. Oh my god, I think this is the best.
Wow. He got a sort of poster collection.
Oh my god, so big.
Wow.
Oh my god, so cute. Okay, but I don't know where I put this poster in my room.
Oh my god, my bias is Jongwon. We haven't seen Jongwon so far.
Yeah, but it's okay. I already got Jake, so it's also already good for me. And the last one is down version.
The white one.
Oh my god. Please, I want to get Jake again. God, please.
Oh,
Oh, Nikki. Oh, I got Jake again.
Oh my god, he's so lucky. He got two Jake's lenticular
Yes.
cards.
Oh my god, I'm lucky fans. Okay, even I do not get fan sign, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Nikki, Sonu. Oh my god, and also one big poster again. Oh my god, this is Jake, guys. Jake. my, oh my god, this is very big. Yeah, okay, now because I already got what I want, we will open Dayu.
Now let's check
Album.
mine. Mine is the hype version.
Yes, high version. Oh my god.
Oh, it's
Oh. Oh my god.
really cute.
So I got 3. Oh, I got 3 stand.
Yeah, that's her order.
Oh my god.
Gifts.
The pre-order gift is the best one.
The first pre-order gifts.
Oh my god. So cute.
Okay.
What do you think, guys?
짜잔, 짜잔.
Jongwon, please, Jongwon. Jongwon, right?
짜잔.
Oh,
What is this?
ah, you got that.
Teddy bear Jongwon! Teddy bear Jongwon! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so happy!
It's okay, we are so love.
Oh my god, people! I pulled Jongwon with teddy bear. Oh my god, he's my bias. I'm so happy.
Yeah, we got lucky.
I only ordered the random version. And I got.
Who is the Landy card? Oh my god.
Oh my god! The
The
Sohong.
most handsome prince.
Oh yeah, where's the camera? Sohong lenticular. Lenticular card.
Lenticular card.
Also, this is also.
Ah, jadi photo card.
Jadi saya dapat foto card.
It is one only, so together photo card, I think. It's very strange.
I got a group photo.
It's okay, group photo card.
They are cute. They are cute. You see?
Do you guys hear a mix up song from enhypen? Do you understand?
Oh, someone say that she wants to got Jake. I hope you can pull Jake. Also, my friend got 2 Jakes.
Oh, I got to Hism. I got to Hism, but I'm happy also. It's okay.
Okay, everyone. Thank you for being with us with this
Thank you
unboxing.
guys. Bye bye. I'm happy to share my happiness also.